The Seed and the Tree. Once a farmer was taking a big bag of seeds to sell at the market. Suddenly, his cart's wheels hit a stone and one of the seeds fell out of the bag. It fell on the hot, dry ground. Just then, a buffalo walked on the seed and pushed it into the ground. After some time, it started to rain. Then the seed had a little green shoot. All day it sat in the sun and grew taller and taller. Then it had its first leaf. Soon the seed had roots. The roots helped it to stay in the ground. Many years of sunshine and rain passed. The seed became a plant, and then the plant became a tree. It grew big and strong. It now makes seeds of its own. 다갈래 먼저 다른 semba 가서디 둠 나오라 둠통 친주디 니와 딘반 한다디 grammar yaptar다 님 once lana tujila a farmer was taking a big bag of seeds to sell at the market lana ani shingba시기 코나 키싱바레스 탭자자 되베 침부시라 가리 칸디교 디겐 순라 seeds lana 순 강유베기 아니 되베지 키싱바레스 가르치알라레 to sell 종야라레스 라 Koala at the market. Tumrala ani zoya chidula ani debi sun kankin tushimares. Suddenly, top the melas, his cart's wheels hit a stone. Tago kia dia kurangans cart leda anzutanda langari dolia tagarida langari. Didiji gangla didigi as a digi kurang yeta langari lanere tagari digi ani kolodira wheels hit lana keba. Pobara, a strong, dojla kebares, kolodra, and one of the seeds fell out of the bag. The nekachire sunchik and fell out lana temba out of the bag. Debate cholonema temba res sunchik ra takod dije the kaza documentera dij. It fell on the hot, dry ground. The neko kagan tsare and sa kabuda tsawushiganara tasa nimasha dera kosa tsawusha kabusha dinisha tsares. Just then din timatatos di jel horang kare a buffalo walked on the seat. Buffalo lana anju thandinda buffalo le anjena ra buffalo ji kharsa da maheshik ani kharsan digala kobagya pares and pushed it into the ground. Dine khajire ko ani saganma Nembares pushed it into nana into lana nalolma ra sag nalolma bugyadambares nembares. After some times in Tizukhashi jela it started to rain and chawagya gochubares. Then the seed had a little green shoot. Dine khajire dine ani söndela ani chunjung mombushi kebar yakare lebares shoot lana 당저 야 뒤자에 당보다 다 선지야 기도자 방안절 그래 장로리가 추주기가 정도로지라 선이야 디지케레스 shoot all day that's nimaninga it sat in the sun and grew taller and taller Quran's nimanalo deche rather de laura coltina sawale yudara internet chir kebares taller and taller na chir lejra chir ani ya kebares Then it had its first leaf. Then Quran akari lebare ani Quran ye loma tangbo lebare la nare the head la the yobar la then yoba chare la jura the dirachko ra. Soon do the seed had roots. Dijela tim yogo hachire kola dije keres are zawaje lebares. The roots helped it to stay in the ground. And the courage helped it ledla. Sundla Kora. Sundla Kari Rokwachela Pijulana to stay in the ground. Sanalo de tuegi ko pijuris. Zatira. Zawadi. Many years of sunshine and rain passed. Ta lo mangbo shi an nime we ta ani chawa ta dinde chine tuju drobares passed na ta tuju kyobat ra. The seed became a plant and the Sunday in zishin chabares. That plant led to the chunjun is la kochorana zishin te maras na lo den tabe gi zishin de la plant ra. Tidaya plant na zishin ri korana kochora ta da la tis chunju tuju ra. And then plant became a tree. The plant did chunju di kare and shindong chabares. It grew big and strong. Ko chimbu chibuda be shubchimbu chabares. It now makes seeds on its own. Da 거기 같이 오래 고랑고랑이 순수고래스. 라 고랑고랑 은에 and 순수고래. dumtum치. The exercise 1D answer these questions. 라 towards the land shows. Da gilang the land tidandi gilang che tarang kanlache. What did the farmer want to sell at the market? Farmer ki ani chomrala khari 종이 좋으레스. 고 가리 종이 좋으레, seed 종이 좋으라. So the farmer wanted, did the today bara, did the macheche, did the chachi did today bana sabaina. The farmer wanted to sell a big bag of seeds at the market. Ra did the be chimbushi kang ra sun tendeji the farmer wanted to sell a big bag of seeds at the market. The farmer wanted the farmer wanted kalana did today badi siripjinala today wa chazini go marwa chigmash go mar so on the did the pasupche ta chazi wandi chazi do devana so. So the farmer wanted to sell a big bag of seeds at the market. How did the seed get pushed into the ground? Sundi sananglo nama kandesira how did kandes ma nembares. The seed got the negozuda the seed the get the hajora got kalan did the banakishira. So the seed got pushed in when dumnatad when a buffalo walked on the seed. Ra kadu chibalana ani ko maheshi ani komba gyawa kalsangal komba gyawa kingi rabdu gabdulan disari gyaw kingilana disari dikasla sadi haza sende sawalama pushwares. Ra then the seed got pushed into the ground when Nanadora pushed in the door kalana ko ground isha sharwats tiwara papi ondi. Dine sumbadi what happened to the seed when it started to rain? And sendla kharche chibares ra chawa gya gotsu kapsla ani khare chawa gya che seed khachire had a little green shoot ra ne khola khare shoot le ra shoot la na ko khare manchugi mubu jangu thya gotsu ya jara tir ra. So khare the seed had lanadora the seed had a little green shoot when it started to rain. Ra the seed and kachere dumdenat shuera. The seed had a little green shoot when the maranja shuer. It started to rain. How did the seed become a tree? Sunde shindong khandes chabares. The seed became Laura to debara. Become the to debadi became chatut. A chatut awesome shimachi barwa. The seed became a tree when it had leaf and leaf sammataji. It grew big and strong. Ko chimbucha che shu chimbucha kapsla ko shinong chapare lana tito. So the seed became a tree when it grew big and strong. Big and strong. It grew big and strong. tissue shanties. The next exercise 2D, complete these sentences with describing words from the verb box. 당아주 디간데다 둠다 되어 있기처럼 다 와드 상마 가래 grammar 되어 라서 장사교 제바게라긴 데 전서 치더라서 describing words 라나 가래 지시게 켄기치라 겐시 차더라 시두빈서 conscious 겐시 딘서라 겐시 딘서 가래 first 당보 strong 슈침보 dry kambu ra big chimbu green jangu de sangma lo ko ginsi chadera chik minsi jila dishe gyang cha gora ko chechang ko kan samma ginsi cha ta din sun dina pheju je dinga gelek stenda tuang ye dishi kya the farmer carried a dash bag of seeds that is dumde na chiba chiga carried na kibara farmer kibares an carry dash ra din ta karla dishi ge the bag la dishi ge da then the seed fell on the dash ground ra sa khandej gala send the chavare deta sometime ra sa la dishi ge da sa khandej then the seed soon had a dash shoot ra shoot la na anjo ge ti jangu thya da ra send ya jangu chising ge do thya ge chinju de la shoot le ra ta di khandej thya da ra chen ko kha chen ra inare tin samaji minsi din zo la dishi ge yin zo la the next day, it had its dash leaf. Rang Kazadi Loma Kandiji Konza Kola Kibare Chavare. Loma de Latishiki, the Ganga Damerta, Denzona, Kagi Lempatura. Then the seed became a plant and grew into a dash tree. The seed the plant chachera, Sishinganare, Tachi Kaza. 신신준 차바체네 침부 야 깨체 가르나 깨레 신동 간지지나 깨라 신동 침부 신동 숙침부 가르라네 가이 시든서 language 된다. The next exercise 3D. Find 3 action words from the passage and write them here. Action words 하나 가래 차지마. 차지 나 티슈스 passage 라나 룸덴라 단다 룸통드네라 passage 레라. 룸통드네 and chatsi nga cheche diwala tissues. Sorry, 3 chatsi sum cheche ra